everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine. Today in this video you will learn about the computer networks. Now basically what is computer network? Computer network, it is a collection of computers uses to share data and other peripheral devices. Computer network is basically created when the numbers of computers are interconnected because of sharing of data and other devices such as speaker, plotter, printer and etc. So these channels are created through two ways. First is wireless connection and second is wired connection. So in this video you will learn basically about the computer network. So let's move and learn with the help of PPT.
Computer network. A computer network is a collection of computers and the related devices connected using certain communication channels. These network allows users to share the resources with other computer and also communicate between different machines. Each computer system in a network is known as the terminal. It spells TERMINAL, terminal. It is sometimes also known as the node. It spells NODE, node, or the workstation. This node is dependent on the central machine. In fact, all the nodes in a network are dependent on the significant machine, which is also known as the server. Benefits of networks. Computer networks offer a wide range of benefit. First is the communication. Communication has been revolutionized in a big way due to the network technology. We cannot think of emails, chats, instant message, online banking or shopping or online video conferencing without computer network. Network sharing. Network sharing has made easy the transfer of huge amount of data across different part of the world within a few seconds. This has brought about a great transformation in the ease of access of information as well as getting latest updates on any field or any sector. Cost benefits. Cost benefits are another noted advantage of a computer network. The client machines are low-end machine that handles smaller tasks or less data transfer. Powerful servers are installed only in certain locations which facilitate communication and transfer of large chunks of data between various machines. Scalability. It is adding of more and more computers to an existing network. It is not a cumbersome process anymore. It is just takes a few minutes. Similarly, the entire network does not collapse if just one client computer stop working. Next is reliability. Reliability is more since multiple copies of important file can be maintained and transferred between systems. The network ensures that any critical task does not come to the standstill or data is not lost if a machine stops working. Network connection methods. Computer network used wired or wireless technologies to interconnect computers. So the first is a wired technology. Second is wireless technologies. Wired technologies use physical wires method like Ethernet cables, twisted pair cables, coaxial cables or optical fiber cables. Other devices like router, hub, bridge and switches may also be used depending on the scale of network. Next is wireless networks or wireless technologies. Wireless technologies used infrared signals or radio wave for detection and transmission of data between machines. Some of the popular wireless technologies include terrestrial microwave, communication satellite, wireless LANs, Bluetooth, as well as cellular systems. The different signs which we use in our daily life, but hardly we know the proper name of that sign. So the first one is almost equal to. This sign is called almost equal to. It denotes items that are approximately equal. When we are comparing, when we are finding out the difference or equal in between two digits, so this sign is perfect for finding out the equality between two numbers. Next is ampersand. Okay, it spells AMPERSAND, ampersand. Ampersand can be used to indicate that the and in the listed item is a part of the item's name and not separator. Like we can take an example, rock, pop and rhythm. You might have seen in your textbook most of the time where we used and in place of and this symbol is used. Next is angstrom. It spells ANGSTROM, angstrom. It is a unit of length used for measuring wavelength of light. This is a unit which is especially used in a physics subject and it represents the measuring of wavelength of light. Next one is apostrophe. It spells APOSTROPHE, apostrophe. It used for two functions. First one is to show that a thing or person belong or relates. When a thing or a person relate with someone, this sign help us to show the connection between those things. The second function is to use with a person names in the end. Next is, this is a approximately equal to sign. It is used to show that two or more than two digits are approximately equal to. When we find the comparison between two digits, whether it is equal to, whether it is greater or lesser, this sign helps us to find out the approximately equal to between two digits. Next is asterisk. It is a little star used to indicate a footnote or as a bullet point also. You might have seen this small star in your book as well, where it helps us to indicate some special note which help us to remember it for a long time. Next is at sign. It is a at sign. It is used as in accounting as is called at a rate of. This is a sign which especially belong from commerce subject, where it is also known as at a rate of. But nowadays it is common especially in Gmail addresses. Next one is backslash or slash. A slash can show a line break in a literature, and a backslash is used to set a difference between any words. Next one is a broken vertical bar. Broken vertical bar, it denotes some corrupt operation during programming. While we do coding or programming in our computer, if some command is incorrect, so this broken vertical line help us to find out the incorrect command which we have input. Next is bullet. It is a small black circle which show each new part of list. Bullet you might have studied in Microsoft Word when we enlist item. So we are having two options, whether we can enlist those items in a bullet form or in a ordered list, and next one is unordered list. In ordered list we use numbers like 1, 2, 3 and so on, and in unordered list we use bullet or some other symbols like bullet. Alright, so bullet help us to make a new point or add a new item in our list.